Yo, what's up? This is Mano from The Fresh Native. I want to show you how to install RAM onto your iMac. Super easy and simple. Okay, first things first, go up to the top left corner, click on the Apple, click on About This Mac, click on your memory, and it'll show the slots that you have available for your RAM. I have two 16 gigs in these slots, but they were both 4. I changed them out before this video, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. You kind of want to keep all of the gigs the same brand and the same number, because if you have two 8s on the top, two 16s on the bottom, sometimes it doesn't work. So now let's go to your system report. On the overview, look up to the model identifier, iMac 20.1. Now, when you go to the website to go buy your RAM, you go to the website and it'll ask you for your Mac identifier number. Plug that number in. It'll have all the available RAM that you can buy. Buy that RAM and you should be set. All right, clean out the area. Unplug your Mac. Get a towel so you can put your Mac face down. Now there will be a push button right where the power cord is. You push that, the latch should open up. Open up the latch, grab the 2 prongs, pull it forward towards you. After that, remove the existing RAM from the compartments. Remember to put the new RAM in those compartments the same way you pulled the old ones out. Put the 2 new RAMs in, push the 2 prongs back in, and put on the latch. Plug the power cord back in and turn your Mac back on. Now if you go back to the Apple and About This Mac, click on the memory and your 2 new RAM slots should have the new RAM numbers available. And that's it, super simple and easy. If you want to leave any comments, leave it below. Follow the channel, that's it. Hopefully it worked for you. Shoots!